In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with adding a reference image in Blender's 2D animation workspace. This is a crucial first step for animators who want to draw or trace over images, allowing you to lay the groundwork for animations with precision and accuracy. It's important to note that Blender provides a specialized environment for 2D animation, which offers tools that are quite different from those in the standard 3D viewpoint. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're in the right workspace within Blender. Navigate to the top of the interface where you'll see several tabs labeled with different workspaces. Click on the one that says 2D Animation. This workspace is specially tailored for two-dimensional projects, providing you with all the essential tools for drawing, vector designing, and animation. Once you've entered the 2D animation workspace, let's go ahead and add a reference image. The reference image will serve as your guide throughout the animation process. To add the image, you'll use what's called the Add menu. This can be accessed easily by pressing Shift+A on your keyboard. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, hover over the Image option, then click on Reference. At this point, the file browser window will open up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's directories. Locate the image file that you want to use as your reference. Select it carefully and then click the Load Reference Image button. This action will import the image straight into your workspace. With the image now imported, you might notice that it isn't perfectly aligned or placed as you would like it to be. Don't worry, this is a common issue and easily fixable. First, ensure that the image is selected, then clear its default rotation by pressing Alt+R. This will set the image to its original orientation, making it a neutral starting point for any further adjustments. Now it's time to fine-tune the placement and orientation. Use the G key to grab and move the image across the workspace. If you need to adjust its orientation, the R key will allow you to rotate the image. For any size adjustments, press the S key to scale the image up or down. Once you have a feel for how to manipulate these basic movements, you may want to get a bit more precise, especially when rotating. You can rotate on specific axes by pressing R, followed by the axis letter, such as X for the X axis, and then entering the degree of rotation, like 90. And there you have it. Your reference image should now be perfectly set up in the Blender 2D animation workspace, ready for you to start creating stunning animations. This setup is a building block for bringing your ideas and sketches to life, making the following animation process smoother and more effective. Happy animating!